It's time to do the 1K dance and song. It's time to do the 1K dance and song. It's time to do the 1K dance and song. It's time for me to thank you, dance. Thank you to every single view. Thank you for joining Kurlz crew. I want to say thanks to you. This the 1K thank you dance. Seriously though, thank you. And yes, I made my 1K out of flexi rods. What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. I am K Kurlz. Today is all about you. Yes, you. I want to thank you guys so much for allowing me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Actually, it's almost 2,000 subscribers now. And the reason why this is so late, and I know you guys are probably like, where's my giveaway? Where's my giveaway? You've been talking about this giveaway for weeks. And then nothing, right? So I just wanted to make sure that I was able to get all of the products that I wanted to put into this basket for you guys, but I also wanted to make sure that you guys had the opportunity to comment and tell me exactly what it was that you wanted in this basket or what you wanted to see in the basket. So I wanted to make sure that I got those things and put them together for you guys. And I am so proud of my little crew. I am so happy to have this little audience, and I'm really, really grateful to be able to interact with you guys. Thank you, fans. Thank you, fans. Thank you, fans. I'm so grateful for my fans. I want to give a very special shout out to all of my subscribers and every single person that has supported me in any kind of way by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, anything. I really genuinely appreciate you guys. You are my little crew, and I'm really proud of my little audience and to be able to interact with you guys. There is going to be more great content coming soon. If you don't know, my channel focuses on natural hair, so of course the giveaway is going to focus on natural hair. All right, so if you guys kind of can see this pile in the front, you will have almost a complete, well, not a complete, but you'll have a great starter set of Cantu products as well as all these other products. So if you guys would like to see this video, please stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Okay guys, so let's move on to the rules and let you guys know exactly how you guys can enter. If you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, do not worry. You still have time to subscribe. I will not be announcing the winners until Friday. So be sure to look out for my Facebook and my Instagram, because I will be announcing the winner on one of these 3 platforms. That includes YouTube. Okay, so number 1, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube, and please hit that good old notification bell. Make sure that you follow my Instagram account and also my Facebook. The links for these will be down in the description box below, so make sure that you guys do that, and then I will be selecting the winner again and going live to let you guys know about that. But look out for the details and any updates for the winner. Okay, so let's move on into packing this basket, right? Because that's what you're here for, to see what you're gonna win. Okay, so I wanted to start you guys off and give you a cute little starter set for naturals out here. I know that sometimes these things can be super expensive, and especially during these tough times, we want to make sure that you guys have everything that you need. Okay, so I am going to give one lucky winner everything that I'm going to put into this basket today. Okay, so let's start with some basic go-to hair products. We have our Luster's S Curl Jerry Curl. We have the Activator Gel and also the Activator Moisturizer. I recently did a video on using these Jerry Curl products. I will have a description to that down below. So if you have any questions or you need to know exactly how to use it, watch that video. It will explain everything to you. Let's move this into the basket. Okay. Up next, because my channel is DIY and it is mostly for natural hair and it covers some beauty, I am going to give you guys a mini starter kit for all of your DIYs. So if you guys haven't seen, I have another video that has it features a lot of different DIYs. There's rice water, there is aloe conditioner routine, and I even did Cardi B's avocado mask. So, in the spirit of DIY, I am going to be giving you guys a mason jar. I am going to stuff that with some cheesecloth, and on the front, no, it is not just for food. It tells you it's for polishing, waxing, crafts, and for kitchen. But this is going to go along with the craft section. So I didn't actually use this in any of my videos, but you will see this featured in future DIYs. I have evolved, y'all. I have evolved. I used to just put the entire rice in here with the water after I strained it, and there were little particles still in there. So this is going to take away from that. If you guys watch it, if you have any questions about how to make it or how to make any DIYs, let me know and I will be sure to do those videos as well. So I'm just going to stuff this in here. All right, that in there. And then also what we are going to do is give you guys a spray bottle to put your product in right after. So that is going to go right on in there as well. We're going to organize this a little better in a little bit. Okay, so up next, I wanted to make sure, especially with the DIYs, you guys are going to need a bunch of different kinds of oils to put into your hair. So depending on what it is that you are going to use, that you're going to put in your hair, I wanted to make sure I added some argan oil, and I'm also giving you guys some Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. It does help strengthen your hair, replenish it, rejuvenate, and nourish. So these are two very, very good oils to have for your hair. So I'm going to add that in here as well. Okay, guys. So there is no natural hair without having some detangling products, right? So I'm going to make sure that I give you guys a detangling comb. This winter is going to literally have like a complete starter set, okay? So we are going to have a detangling comb, and this one is from Conair, so it's a really good one. And then we have a full comb set, so I'm just going to take this sleeve off for a second so that I can show you guys what is in here. We have a rat tail comb, a fine tooth pintail comb, a 3-in-1 comb. We have the wave comb, a cutting comb, a rake comb, and a teasing comb with metal lift. Okay, so you guys have the full comb set going directly into this basket here. You should not need combs for a while, okay? And then we have, for fun, I wanted to add with you guys, I recently did a hair wax video and I did use pink. So I wanted to give you guys a pink one. Yes. Now, I did ask you guys to comment, and on my last video when I announced that I was going to do my 1K giveaway, and I asked you guys to tell me what kind of products you would like to see in the basket. So some of the next products are going to be exactly that. Some of these are all of my favorites, with the exception of one thing that you know we're going to get to, but it's going to be next. But these are some of the things that you guys said you wanted to see in here, so I made sure that I put that into the basket as well. So you guys said that you wanted some of the scrunchies, the no damage ones, so I'm gonna actually, there you go, I'm gonna stick that right in here. And then you guys wanted some hair clips. There's a bunch of different variations of hair clips out here, but the kind that I'm going to be putting in the basket for you guys are these ones here, the professional styling clips. And this is an 80 count. It says they're double prong clips, but they're just for styling. So we are going to also put that in our basket. Sorry guys, something fell out. Oh, our hair wax, we can't have that. You guys have to try this. Whoever wins, I would like you guys to at least send me a picture and let me know how it goes with you adding this into your hair. If you did use it or any of these products, let me know how you like them, or if you have any questions on how to use some of them, or if you want to see more information or videos on it, let me know. So let me put that back in there. Now, A little ASMR for you. Okay guys, so next we are going to add in here our flexi rods. Who does not like a flexi rod? I'm adding this in here purposefully, okay? I know that you guys asked for this, and I actually have 4 packs in there because we're natural, right? We need a lot more. So we have 4 packs of them in here, so that should be enough. That's about how much I use when I do mine. But a reason why I have this in here is because next we are going to be having a video with these, so look out for that. So let's start stuffing the back of the basket. All right, I probably should have gotten a bigger basket, okay? But we are down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more items. 6 more items, guys, okay? So we're almost done. Next up, we have my favorite, my absolutely favorite thing in the entire world. And if you guys are used to me on my channel, you definitely know this is my go-to. My Cantu collection. I actually have more here. Hold on. You will have almost a complete, actually, I'm not even gonna lie, it's not almost complete, but you will have a complete what you need Cantu collection added as well. So let's just break this down and show you guys what you are getting. Of course, if you have seen any of my other maybe twist out, braid out, or any of my wash and go routines, you will see that I use my Cantu Natural Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. So you are going to have that added in there. We are also going to add our Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner. This helps replenish your hair breakage, leaving your hair soft and manageable. That's what it says on here, but that's exactly what it does for my hair anyway. If your hair is not as thin as mine, because I do have thick hair, a lot of people don't really want to use some of these products. They say it's a little bit too thick for them. These products are literally one of the cheapest products that are out there for you to use for natural hair. And what I found when I'm assisting a couple of people on their hair, the only thing you have to do with this, add water. Just add a little bit of water, shake it up, and then you can use it. And then it will cut it, and it'll be the perfect consistency that you need for your hair. I promise you, okay? So then we have our Define and Shine Custard. This is optional, but it's something that I like, especially if I'm doing a really quick wash and go and I don't have time to grab like another gel. This is exactly what I'm going to use for that. If you guys have watched my detangling video, then you will have seen my Coil Cream Detangler from Cantu. It's one of my favorites, so I really hope you enjoy that. It is good for dry or wet hair, as you guys seen on my video, but hopefully you guys like this. These are 2 things that I haven't had on my channel, but I would like to let you guys know these are definitely go-to products, okay? In my hair, I'm not usually like a big baby hair fan, but I did try to do a little bit more with my baby hair today so you guys can see the edge control, because I do use this, but I don't typically style my edges unless it's like a quick, like you see today I have like a messy bun, so I do want to style my edges a little bit more just to clean it up and give it a nicer look, make it look like I gave it a try, right? Yeah. But anyway, we are going to be adding this edge control, and you guys also asked for that, so I'm gonna put this one in here because it's my recommended edge control. But if you guys don't like this one, let me know what kind you guys like and I'll try it out and see how I like it. Very last product, okay guys, this one is the Cantu Shea Butter Tea Tree and Jojoba Oil for your hair and scalp. This thing is like an angel in a bottle, okay? When my hair is itchy, I don't know whether it's because I'm just hot or whatever, if my scalp suddenly gets an urge of being itchy, like you just get a hot flash and your scalp itches and you can't get that itch out, take a little bit of this oil, rub it into your hands, and just massage it directly into your scalp. That is what this is for. It is specifically for your scalp. So that is it, guys. That is everything that is going to go into your basket. I am going to again announce the winners on Friday, so look out for all of those. I will make sure that whoever is selected did follow the rules, so I will make sure that when I put everyone's name in the basket to be able to pull it out, that you did follow the rules for this giveaway. Okay. Again, I am just so grateful for you guys, for a hobby that I started to just stay busy during the quarantine, to be able to turn into something so beautiful and amazing to me. It's just, I don't even know how to explain it. You guys are awesome. Thanks again so much. I hope to reach more milestones with you guys in the future. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.